Hi, my name is Sydney and I'm from Bella's Bakery in Glasgow, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple loaf of bread at home. With only just a few ingredients you can make fresh bread in under 2 hours, which is great. So for our ingredients today, for this recipe, what we're going to be using is a strong white bread flour, 1 packet of fast-acting yeast, a teaspoon of salt, and 350 mils of lukewarm water. So to get started, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my bowl, putting it on my scale, making sure that the scale is on grams, the bowl is weighed at 0, because we don't want to weigh the bowl with our flour or anything else on the table. So once the bowl is at 0, what I'm going to be adding into the bowl is 500 grams of our flour, and if it's a few grams over, that's okay. Next, what I'm going to be doing is taking my hand and putting a little well in the center of the flour. And to this, I'm going to be adding my salt, a teaspoon of salt, and this whole pack of yeast. So with our water, what we're going to start doing is adding a little bit into our yeast and salt and flour mixture. And we're going to start mixing that slowly. And why I'm adding the water a little bit at a time is just so I don't make the dough too wet. So you just want to watch out for that while you're doing this. If the dough does get too wet, you can add more flour in to absorb some of the liquid. Start coming together, what you can then do is what we're going to do is put some flour onto the surface of the table and pour our dough out onto that. But first what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clear some space on the table. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take our dough and we're going to put it onto the worktop to start kneading our dough. But first what we want to do is just put a little bit of flour on the table surface so our dough doesn't stick. So now that our dough is out on the table, what we're going to do is we're going to start kneading our dough. And for kneading, what you want to do is kind of lightly flour the dough. Take the palm of your hand, and what you're doing is you're kind of pushing away, folding over, and rotating. And pushing away, folding over, rotating constantly until what you're looking for is you want your dough to be fairly smooth and kind of elasticated in a way. So this process takes about 10 or so minutes. And then what we're going to then do is place our dough into a lightly oiled bowl and cover it with a clean tea towel or some cling film and set it aside so it then rises or proofs for about maybe an hour or until it's double in its size. But what you'll start to see is that the dough becomes quite elasticy and not as sticky as before. So that's what you're looking for. cover with a clean tea towel. And what I like to do is place this probably in like the warmest place in the kitchen, which probably will be over by the oven. And what we'll do now is wait till it's doubled in size and go on to the next step. So now that our bread dough has doubled in size, we are now going to take it and we're going to actually knock it back. So we're going to start to form the bread loaf. After we do this, what we're going to do is we're going to place the dough in the loaf tin. You could also freeform this on like a baking tray with some parchment or with just lightly oiled. We'll put the loaf into the tin and then we're going to actually leave it for another 30 minutes to proof again. And then after that, we'll go through the steps on putting the loaf into the oven. And then once again, what we're doing is we're just going to cover it again and place it just in a warm place in the kitchen again for the next 30 minutes or so. So here we have our finished loaf of bread, and I'll just go over the recipe with you all again. To make this loaf, it was 500 grams of strong white bread flour, 1 sachet of fast-acting yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 350 mils of lukewarm water. And to go over the steps once again, so we started out by mixing all our ingredients in the bowl, kneading for about 10 minutes, letting the dough rise for about 45 minutes to an hour. Then we knock it back, we then place it into a loaf tin, and then we let it rest again for another 30 minutes and then baked it in a preheated oven at 250 Celsius for 15 minutes, and then we brought the temperature down to 190 Celsius for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, give or take.